Welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. Oh, hi and hello! It has been a while cooking with you, but I just want to share what I have been doing in a year. Wow, time always seems to be flying by with no possibility of slowing down. Oh well, as time goes by so fast, I also been missing cooking with you. Have you? Please comment below, let me know. For now, let's celebrate and have a drink. Calling all watermelon lovers, what's more refreshing than a sweet, juicy flavor of watermelon? So refreshing. Let's read this book while enjoying this refreshing watermelon drink. I love this watermelon drink because not only it is simple and tasty, but it makes me fall asleep too. Lol. Oops, did I just sleep? Well, tell me what happened. Did I just sleep? Huh? I'm confused. What just happened? That is Cooking Simply Delicious. Thank you for watching. For more cooking and simply delicious recipe, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time.